Ecstasy. Ecstasy is written by John Donne. The poem Ecstasy is one of John Donne's most popular poems, which express his unique and unconventional ideas about love. It exposes the theme that pure, spiritual, and real love can exist only in the bond of souls established by the bodies. For John Donne, true love only exists when both bodies and souls are inextricably united. Donnie criticizes the Platonic lover who excludes the body and emphasizes the souls. It is the body that brings the lovers together. Donnie says body must not be ignored. The union of bodies is essential to make union of souls. The fusion of body and souls strengthens spiritual love. He compares both bodies to the planet and souls to the angels. That body and souls are inseparable, but they are independent. According to medieval mystical, ecstasy means trance-like, in which soul leaves the body, comes out, and holds communication with divine, the supreme, or over the soul of universe. He uses religious and spiritual terms to build his own theory of love. The poem is an expression of Donne's philosophy of love. The poem begins with the lovers to embrace and experience the ecstasy. The setting is natural, very calm and quiet. The scenery describes in erotic terms. He describes the scenery of river bank and another as pillows on bed, and it is also pregnant. It suggests sexual but it is asexual. The image asexual reproduction of violet plant used to compare lovers only propagation. It is springtime, violets in bloom, and it is a pastoral setting that lovers sitting together holding hands. Their hands were held together and cemented with perception. Then describes beams coming out their eyes and twisting like thread which holds their eyes together as with a single double thread. Their sides are woven together. The reflection in their eyes were their only way to propagate. He uses the metaphor of armies to describe their souls. The two are equal armies, and fate keeps victory uncertain, which is like the way the lover souls are suspended. Furthering the army metaphor, it has the souls negotiating as their bodies lie like memorial statues. They remain whole day and said nothing to each other. It postulates whether any man can be so refined in love that he can understand the language of soul, and furthermore, if that good love of the mind stood at a convenience distance. It relates that the two souls now speak as one. State of ecstasy is unperplexes or simplifies things, and they can see that it was not sex that motivated them. The idea that two lovers are one soul which is mixed as the part of the other. He uses metaphor of the transplanted violet to show how two souls can be interanimated and how this new soul can repair the defects of each of the individual souls. The idea of two souls are one. He says that the lovers know what they are made of and that no change can invert them. He asks why the bodies are left out, and he says that the soul is intelligence and the bodies are sphere which controls them like the celestial sphere. He says the soul as intelligent, the bodies as sphere. He thanks the bodies for their service for bringing the souls to be and for yielding their senses. The bodies are not impurities that weaken, but rather alloys that strengthen us. He relates a method of how the body and soul are related. Heaven influence does not work on man like other things. It imprints the air so that people's soul may flow out from the body. He tells how our blood works to make spirits that can help our body and soul together to make us men. He postulates that lover souls must give in to affections and wits that our bodies provide. If not, we are like a great prince in prison. He says the body is just the soul book. He sums up the scene by speculating how they would record it by another lover in their dialogue of the combined souls. Donnie says that the lover will see a small change when their bodies are gone. The images in ecstasy focus the relationship of the souls of the body. Donnie brings with visual image of water, hands, perception, and things that are physical in nature. He proposes that two lover souls are formed into one and uses metaphors of alloys, celestial spheres, and even violet to make his point. Furthermore, Donnie describes the process of work in the body by relating the mechanism of blood and air. All the images between 13 and 75 lines related to union of two souls which creates the third soul that transcends the sum of the two. He says the union of two souls which create the third soul. This is a summary of Ecstasy written by John Donne. Hope you have learned. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.